In today's lecture, we'll see the 1,4-disubstituted cyclohexane. 1,4-disubstituted cyclohexane, in which cis isomer substituted at 1 position and substituted at 4 position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cis position means one substituent is at axial position, another substituent is at equatorial position, which are projecting from the same side of average plane. Therefore, here cis isomer, that is axial equatorial form or equatorial axial form. We draw here structure. One substituent at axial position CH3 and another substituent at equatorial position. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 1. After flipping, we'll get next structure. Conversion of axial methyl group into equatorial CH3. 1, 2, 3. Equatorial get converted into axial. 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 2. Its mirror image CH3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 3. After flipping, okay. After flipping, we'll get next structure, that is methyl group at equatorial position. Carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. CH3. Structure 4. Okay. Then if you put plane between carbon number 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is common carbon. Molecule having symmetry. Carbon number 1 and 4. Carbon number 1 and 4. Optical isomer, molecule having plane of symmetry. passing through C1, C4. Hence, molecule is optically inactive. It exists in mesoform. Then relative stability. One methyl group is at axial position. One methyl group at axial position, which creates two butane-Gauch interactions. Gauch interactions. Therefore, energy 0.9 into 2, 1.8 kilocalorie per mole. Then next, that is trans isomer. Trans isomer 1,4 trans. 1,4 trans. One methyl group is at axial position. Another methyl group is also axial position. They are trans to each other, projecting above the plane, below the plane, either diaxial or di-equatorial form. Methyl group at equatorial CH3, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After flipping, you will get diaxial form CH3, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Structure number 5, structure number 6. Draw the mirror image. CH3, carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, CH3. After flipping, you will get methyl group CH3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Structure number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Both methyl group at equatorial position or both methyl group at axial position. Then comment on optical isomer. Optical isomer, molecule having plane of symmetry. Molecule having plane of symmetry passing through C1, C4. Therefore, it is optically inactive. Optically inactive. C1 and C4. C1 and C4, C1 and C4, C1 and C4. Then relative stability, when both methyl group at axial, then there will be 4 butane gauge type interactions or 4 1,3-diaxial interactions, 4 into 0.9, that is 3.6 kilocalorie per mole. No such interaction if methyl group at equatorial position. Therefore, energy calculation 0 kilocalorie per mole. Then order of stability of conformers, that is trans 1,4 equatorial is more stable, trans equatorial is more stable, having energy 0 kilocalorie per mole than cis 1,4 axial equatorial, cis 1,4 equatorial axial, having energy 1.8 kilocalorie per mole, which is stable than trans 1,4 axial, energy 3.6 kilocalorie per mole. Means trans 1,4 equatorial is more stable than cis 1,4 axial equatorial or equatorial axial, and which is stable than trans 1,4 axial, energy 3.6 kilocalorie per mole.